Hi everyone, I am Karthikeyan. I am currently pursuing final year in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I will choose in the problem statement 3 statement. It will generate the Figma design files, web components and content types for content stack. Let's move on to the demo. The user can input the text in text box using keyboard or using the voice command. For example, user can input create a Figma design file for the restaurant website, and the user can click on generates button. The prompt will pass it to our database, which I have created in the MongoDB as the database. It will structured like the RAG structured database, and it connects to the LLM to generate the output, corresponding outputs, Figma design files, web components and content types for content stack. Let's wait few minutes. It will generate. The output is generated as Figma design files. It contains all the necessary pages for the restaurant website. The user can see all the pages by using the next button. This is a contact us page. This is a about us page. This is a contact us page, and this is a gallery page, food gallery page, and this is the home page. The user can copy the Figma design file by using the Figma button and paste it in the Figma editor. It pastes, and the user edits according to their wishes. And let's move on to the code. This code is a HTML CSS code. The user can copy the code and paste it in the HTML editor. The user can run according to their wishes. Next, move on to the web components. User can, by clicking the web components button, it will generate all the necessary web components for the restaurant website. It will create the React web component by clicking the copy code button. The user copies the